Millions of people in the southeast are without power in the wake of Hurricane Helene. Central Maine Power crews are stepping up to help with recovery efforts. More than 50 CMP employees left Maine this morning and head to Virginia and North Carolina to help restore power to folks there. Here's a look at where some of them are headed. This video comes out of Asheville, North Carolina. Asheville, as you can see, is covered in mud after nearby rivers and creeks rose and picked up whatever the water could carry. State officials have said all roads in the western part of the state should be considered closed due to record flooding. More than 650,000 people are out of power across the state.